Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. Good evening, guys. How
Good
are
evening.
you?
I'm
Good
good.
evening, Miss.
Good
Hi,
evening.
Branty.
I'm
Hey.
good. How are you,
Yeah,
Miss?
hopefully all of you in a good condition. Yeah, I'm doing well, by the way, for today. Right, doing great for today. So, by the way, everyone, we just like wants to start our class, but before we start it, I just want to ask you about yesterday. What does it talk? Kemarin tentang apa ya, by the way? Do you still remember?
About introduce, Miss.
Introduction. Benar, introduce yourself yesterday. So,
Yes.
how if we don't want to say the exactly age of us? Okay. Kalau misalnya kita nggak mau nyebutin umur yang sebenarnya, kita bisa pakai apa ya? How? If there's someone asks you how old are you, but you don't want to mention it exactly number, okay? So,
Yeah.
how do we say?
I'm
I
in
am around.
I
around.
am around. Terus lagi apa?
I am almost.
Yeah, I
Almost.
am almost right. Exactly. Iya, hampir umur sekian. Oke. Terus lagi boleh pakai I am around berapa tahun ya, pakai S ya ujungnya. Contohnya kayak 20-an berarti 20s. Kalau 50-an berarti apa?
I am
Fifth.
I am
50-an.
around 50.
Fifth.
50s, oke. Nah, 50-an. Oke, kalau 30-an berarti apa?
30.
30s. Nah, 30s ya. 30s it's not 30s tapi 30s. Oke, tulisannya tehirtis. Tehirti ditambahin S ya, 30s. Oke. So, let's go everyone. For today, we just have a new topic for today. I think it's kinda what is it? More interesting, lebih menarik ya hari ini topiknya
Miss,
about culinary. Okay?
Miss.
Yes, yes, Nadira.
Berarti kalau dia yang oh tadi yang tadi pakai almost sama around itu pakai is belakangnya, Miss.
No, 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 yang around yang pakai S. Bukan IS ya, tapi S doang.
Berarti
Contohnya
pakai
kayak 30 tambahin S gitu. Jadi tertis.
oh bukan
Kita
30 biasa aja ya, Miss ya.
Kalau misalnya 30-nya itu tertib biasa, tapi kan kita kan ini mau bilang 30-an gitu kan.
Mm.
30-an. Jadi tulisannya itu 30 ditambahin huruf S.
Oke, Miss. Thank you,
Miss,
Miss.
ini
Oke,
masih bahas
ya.
yang kemarin, Miss.
No, no, no. We just have a new topic. Kita bahas yang topik baru, tapi itu tadi cuma sekilas aja. Cuman tanya-tanya saja. Okay, ready everyone?
Ya,
Okay, so let's go. We just start our lesson for today. It's about culinary, okay? So let's go. What do you think about culinary, guys? What will come out? Okay, ada suara angin sis. Ada sorry ya, aku ada pakai fan. Oke, sampai sana ya suaranya. Wait a second. Aku jauhin dikit deh. Oke, udah nggak kedengeran banget kan?
Iya, dia berantem sama suaranya, Miss.
Oke. Nah sekarang masih kedengeran suara fan-nya?
Better, Miss, better.
Okay. All right. Okay. Sorry, sorry. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's start for our lesson today. It's about culinary. What will comes out in your mind, guys, when you heard about culiner? Kalau misalnya dengar kata kuliner, nah, food tentang makanan. What else? Apa lagi tuh? Kalau ada kata-kata kuliner, beverage, terus apa lagi? Ayo.
Drinking.
Daerah.
Oke, drinking itu
Drinking.
bisa kita bilang beverage ya, minuman kan? We
Street
can say
food.
beverage. Oke, street food exactly.
Tempat.
Samyang.
Okay, let's
Okay.
Delicious.
Yes, delicious. And also berempah. Apa tuh rempah-rempah? What is rempah-rempah in English?
Flavor. Sorry.
Flavor itu cita rasa. Kalau misalnya spicy, pedas. Tapi kalau rempah-rempah, spices ya.
Oh,
Spices.
spices. Yeah.
Rempah-rempah. Dia hampir-hampir mirip ya sama pedas. Tapi kalau pedas itu spicy pakai Y. Gini. Spicy. Nah,
Orang
kalau itu
rempah.
pedas. Nah, ya kalau rempah-rempah itu adalah spice. Rempah itu spice, tambahin S jadinya rempah-rempah. Spices. Okay,
Oh, okay.
let's go. We just go into our topic. I'll share the screen now. Okay, here we go. It's about food and culinary. Okay, so when we just talk about culinary, okay, and talking about the food, when you want to eat something, will you think about the flavor, cita rasa, or about the nutrition, or about the price? Which one do you prefer? Kalian lebih suka kalau misalnya mau beli makanan itu lihat dari apa? Apakah sehat atau enggaknya with the nutrition or based on the price berdasarkan harganya atau berdasarkan cita rasanya?
Of
Cita rasa.
course.
Miss.
Is it
Raise
healthy?
hand, one
Tampilan.
by one, raise hand. Okay, raise your hand. Okay, Bro Billy, let's go.
From each harga.
Okay, from the price, right?
From the
Okay,
price.
from the price. Why bro? Why bro?
Oh,
Because
because the price is bad delicious sama saja.
yeah. So we have to check the price first before we buy something, right?
Right.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Bro Billy. Next, Bro Arya.
Uh, it's about healthy from the food, Miss.
Yeah. It's that healthy or not, right? It's about the nutrition, ya berarti ya.
Yes.
Why, bro? Do you what is it? Are you a
But
person who is really concerned about health or not?
yes, because I'm a vegetarian enthusiast, Miss, and
Okay.
I think
Right.
it give me body health more body.
Okay. Healthy body, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so you have to look what is it like healthy food when you want to eat something, yeah?
Yes.
All right. Okay, thank you, bro. Next is Nadira.
For me, Miss, tampilan, Miss, looknya.
Okay.
Kalau dia menggugah
Okay.
selera, saya beli.
So it's depend on the looks of the food, yeah. Even
Yes, kalau
even for example, when the food is just like looks not good for the what is it? For the display. So you just like nggak selera gitu ya.
selera aja, Miss. Saya pemakan segala ya, Miss.
Oke, tapi terutamanya dilihat tampilannya dulu ya.
Iya, Miss. Kalau tampilannya kayak pedas atau
Oh,
pokoknya
oke.
nggak selera, saya beli, Miss. I buy it.
Oh, I see. All right, it's depend on the display, right? Thank you, Sis Nadira. Next, okay, Sis Isabella.
Kalau aku, Miss, aku lebih ke cita rasa sih, Miss. Walaupun
Okay,
ada harga yang
flavor.
murah, ya, flavor. Kalau ada harga yang murah, kadang enak, kadang enggak. Ada yang mahal, kadang
Okay,
enak, kadang enggak. Jadi
yes,
lebih ke cita rasanya sih, Miss. BTW
yeah.
aku
Don't
suka
think
banget.
about.
I love food.
All right. So you
I love
don't need to think.
culinary.
Yeah, so it means like you don't really what is it? Don't think about the price or the nutrition, but it's only about the flavor. If it's cheap
Yeah.
but it's good, yeah, you will buy it. And also, if it's expensive, you will buy it also because of the flavor.
All right.
Okay. All right, food hunter nih kelihatannya. Sis Nita,
Betul.
how about you?
Oh yes, for me, for the first one is the flavor.
Uh-uh,
The second one is the price,
uh-uh.
and then the last one is the nutrition,
Nutrition.
because
Okay.
sometimes we need to enjoy our life with food.
Yeah, that's true. Because sometimes there's like some people that maybe cannot eat something, yeah, because of their sickness or their disease, yeah. So that's why, um, but sometimes we have to think about the nutrition too, yeah. Because
Yes.
sometimes we just like eat that over. I think, yeah, something will comes, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Sis Nita. Next, Bro Devin.
Okay. For me, I choose a balance between price, nutrition, and flavor or taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, this for me.
All right. Okay. Why, bro? Why, bro?
Because kenapa ya?
Kenapa ya?
Karena keseimbangan itu the balance is apa ya? Pertengahan gitulah.
Iya,
Pertengahan itu adalah
berarti
yang
kayak,
terbaik.
oke. All right. Oke. All right. Thank you, Bro Devin. Oke.
Thank
Ada lagi
you.
yang mau coba? Ada? Okay, let's see it together ya. Kita next. There will be like something that maybe we can watch, but yeah, we just skip it ya. Lebih ke kayak ini aja. Kita supaya ini kita lihat vocabularies first, okay? It's about culinary. It's about kuliner, okay? Culinary is kuliner, food, makanan, beverage, okay? Beverage, minuman. Oke, atau tadi ada yang bilang drinking, oke. Beverage, oke. F&B itu adalah food and beverage. Makanan dan minuman, F&B, food and beverage. And cuisine. Cuisine itu adalah hidangan khas, makanan khas dari sebuah tempat. Oke? And then also taste, rasa. Taste, rasa. Oke? Taste, rasa. And flavor, cita rasa. Flavor, cita rasa. Salty, asin. Sweet, manis. Savory, gurih. Bitter, pahit. Umami, gurih. Spicy, pedas. Tasty, enak.
Sorry sis.
Dan, ya,
Izin sis,
ya.
slide-nya boleh di full kan nggak sis?
Ya, dibulkan
Oh,
sis.
oke. Sorry guys, lupa. Oke, nah. Oke.
Thank you
Sekarang
sis.
jelas kan? Lebih jelas?
Jelas
Yes.
sis.
Oke. Sorry guys. Alright. Okay. So for
Sorry,
this one, kalau
boleh
Mhm.
tanya dulu ketika if you in explanation material when you explain the material, can we apa namanya memotong
boleh
your
kalau misalnya
or
lagi
we
ini
have
boleh,
to
boleh.
wait you until you
No.
finish?
You don't need to wait for me. If there's something wrong, you can just like directly asking. Okay?
Okay. Oh, I want to ask
Okay.
how we
Yep.
pronounce cuisine?
Cuisine.
Cuisine. Oh, okay.
Ya, cuisine.
Thank you.
Oke, cuisine. Nah, itu hidangan khas atau makanan spesial dari sebuah daerah. So, nanti di akhir, guys, in the breakout room, you have to tell us about your cuisine from your hometown, oke? Nanti akan masing-masing membicarakan tentang hidangan khas dari kota atau kampung halaman masing-masing, oke? Alright, so here we go for this one. Okay, by the way, when we talk about culinary, it's really relate about cooking, right? So, is there anyone here that maybe a cook? Mungkin ada yang jadi chef di sini? Is there anyone here maybe like a cook, a good cook? Or no, right? Okay. What about others? Maybe like a good cook in your own house, like a mother. There are a lot of mother here, right? So, is there anyone that maybe like have a hobbies for cooking? Ada yang punya hobi memasak? Anyone? Yes. Why do you like cooking, sis?
Masak makanan yang pedas nih.
Yeah, boleh. Apa aja boleh. You can tell us. I really like to cook something spicy. I really like to cook something spicy. Aku suka
Bisa
banget.
diulang, Miss?
I really like. I really like to
Like
cook. Yeah, to cook. I
to cook.
really like to cook something
Um,
spicy. Gini. Aku suka banget masak sesuatu yang pedas. Okay? Really, sorry.
okay, Miss.
Nah,
Thank you.
like this one. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya I really like itu kan aku suka nih, aku benar-benar suka. Jadi kita boleh ubah. Kemarin apa ya aku suka? Ada yang masih ingat nggak? How to say aku suka selain pakai I like?
I love
Ada
to.
yang ingat?
Oh,
I'm into.
Yes, exactly. Boleh I love to, boleh I'm
I'm a big
into.
fan of.
Yes, exactly.
Cek,
I'm a
cek,
big
cek.
fan of gitu. Jadi kalau misalnya I'm into cooking, langsung aja I'm into cooking ya, cooking something spicy. Ini bukan cook tapi disesuaikan aja cooking kan. Setelahnya harus pakai verb ing, oke? Terus ada lagi kayak I'm a big fan of cooking something spicy. I'm a big fan of cooking something sweet. Jadi disesuaikan saja, oke? Alright, what about this one? I just want to ask you again, guys. Do you have any comfort food? Ada yang punya, ada yang suka makanan, ada yang punya makanan yang nyaman, so you can eat that for daily, every day, without sick of it, tanpa muak. Ada nggak? Is there
Rice.
anyone here
Rice.
can eat something?
Rice.
Yeah, rice, of course. What about the dishes? Hidangannya apa? Lauknya apa?
Omelette, sis, omelette.
Omelette, you can eat that with sauce, yeah, for
Cornet, Miss.
daily. Okay,
Cornet.
cornet. Okay, all right. This Meza, what about you?
Waffles, Miss.
Okay, waffle, right. So, ada yang mau nggak cerita? Satu atau dua orang atau tiga orang? Anyone wants to share about the comfort food?
Yes, yes.
Anyone? Okay, go on, bro. Bro, he.
No. I have question for you.
Okay, what's the question?
Tadi kan sis, you say, what about you? What about you atau how about you ya sis?
Oke, what about you boleh. How about you juga boleh.
Oh,
Sama
oke.
maksudnya. Ya, what about you? Gimana denganmu sama? How about you boleh.
Oke,
Itu
oke.
kita lebih ke melempar pertanyaan yang sama dengan sebelumnya tanpa mengulangi. Oke?
Oke. Thank you. Thank you, sis.
Oke. Alright, so coba siapa yang mau? Coba. Anyone wants to tell about your comfort food? Anyone? Ada yang mau cerita tentang comfort food-nya, kenapa
Me,
dia
sis,
suka banget
me.
itu dan oke, go on, bro.
So my comfort food is basically egg, and I can eat egg for every day, for lunch, for breakfast, and for dinner. And yeah, so my comfort food is egg, telur dadar, telur ceplok, and so on.
Oke, berarti semua macam ya, pokoknya diapain aja. Oke. Alright. Oke, thank you, Bro Eza. Next, ada lagi? Bro Arya, let's go, bro.
Okay, thank you, sis. About the question, maybe honestly, I like it tempe, sis, because it's
Okay.
simple food. I really like
Mhm.
in the everyday maybe. And since my mother cook tempe, I'm so like this food, and I
Okay.
think it's
It's your
my
comfort food.
yeah,
Yeah, you can eat that for a daily
yeah,
without
it's
sick of it. Oh,
yeah, I think
ya,
so.
ya, tanpa muak ya. Without sick of it. Sick of it.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let's go. That's it, bro.
Yeah, that's all, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much, Bro Arya. Bro Billy, let's go.
Okay, so first of all, I like rendang, like nasi padang, because
Okay,
nasi
rendang,
padang,
right.
because it's nasi padang is more juicy, and then I like sayur-sayur,
Okay, the
sayur-sayur
vegetable.
because because
Boiled vegetable.
because the variant food in from anywhere in Indonesia food gitu.
Indonesia.
And then
Mm.
sometimes I yesterday I eating soup bening and crispy because it's nasi padang is more expensive for
Yeah.
pricing. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Maybe.
mm,
Uh, go on.
yes, miss.
Go on. Just go on.
Uh, uh, more expensive. So it's more like makan di warung is more delicious.
Warteg ya.
Warteg yes. Warteg yes.
Kenai,
And
kenai,
then
kenai.
lebih delicious. That's it for me.
All right. Okay. I a lot of people really like nasi padang, yeah, including me. I really like nasi padang so much. Oh my god. But I don't know, but I just like it because of it's kind of full of spices ya, penuh dengan rempah. That's why I'm Sumatra. So I'm from Sumatra, so that's why I think I like nasi padang because of
Oh.
that.
Oh.
Yeah.
From Sumatera.
Okay, I
Love it
know.
so much. Ya, go
Yes.
on. Siapa tadi tuh ngomong?
You from Sumatera?
Yes, I'm originally from Medan.
Oh, Medan.
Me
Miss
too,
This
Adam.
Miss.
is Haza.
Hai. Ternyata banyak yang sekolah
Do
saya.
you know
Soundnya
Ngomong-ngomong
Pacific.
udah lihat.
Soundnya
Yeah, I
Pacific
know
is
Mi
Medan.
Gobak. I'm exactly in Langkat, you know.
Oh, Langkat.
No,
I see.
sis.
You know, are you from Medan, Bro Akbar?
Tapi pernah ke sana.
Oh, that's for working.
And then no, it's yeah. Kalau ke sananya work, but now I just wanna live in this in Bandar Lampung.
I see Bandar Lampung, right? I have a friend from Bandar Lampung. In Bandar Lampung, what is the special food?
The special food in Bandar Lampung is, you know what is apa ya? Sambal terasi.
Oh,
It is
sambal
and
terasi
then
and
like
ceruit, right?
right, that's
Pindang.
it. It's in four combinations like pindang plus terasi. Then you combine this, then you eat.
All
Then,
together.
yeah.
Bro Akbar,
But
you
I
from
never try it.
Sorry?
Sorry,
What?
but in Manado have a sambal terasi too.
Oh, right. In
So
Medan
so
too, there is sambal belacan. That's called belacan. Terasi, terasi in Indonesia, right? But in Medan, we call it belacan.
yeah, it is called belacan. But in Lampung is terasi gitu.
Yeah.
Sorry, Miss, I don't like nasi padang because the portion is
So
much.
big ya.
Banyak banget. Nggak mau. Kenyang.
but that's so delicious, sis.
So I'm living in
Yeah.
Bandar Lampung is 50 years, and then I don't like this sambal terasi because different on me.
Oh, okay.
Not
Because
in
yeah, it's too strong.
Bro Akbar?
Smell is
Guys.
too strong.
Bro
Sorry,
Akbar.
what?
Smells too strong.
Yo, what's up,
You
dude?
live in Bandar Lampung, right?
Of course, right now.
For study or for work?
I'm for the study and then work, and with my family in here, without my family, without my mom, without my father. Then yeah.
So
together
you're
this.
exactly from?
I'm
Mm-mm.
Jakarta.
Oh, I see.
Can I
Alright.
join?
Yes, of course. Wait a second. Tadi ada yang raise hand. This is Olive. Let's go. I remember your name. Udah di raise down ini. It's Olive.
Oh, sis. Yeah.
Okay. What about you? What is your comfort food?
My comfort food is some of seafood, I think, like crab, squid, or shrimp. But
Okay.
unfortunately, I can eating too much because I have an allergy.
Oh.
Alright.
Yeah, but
Alright.
I like it. Like shrimp with crispy.
Okay.
Yeah, or crispy squid.
Oh, right. So, but because of it's too delicious, you cannot eat that too much, yeah,
Much, yeah.
because you will get itchy.
Iya.
Okay. Alright, jadi habis itu gatal-gatal ya, udah banyak makan, habis itu langsung ini. Right,
Iya, Retno.
okay, yeah. By the way, thank you ya, Sis Olive. Okay, so guys, by the way, supaya nanti kita banyak longer time in a breakout room, okay, jadi kita, okay, I just want to go to this one, okay. I'll divide you guys into a group like yesterday. And also, if you wants to move the group guys, karena ada yang kemarin tuh cewek semua sis gitu. Nah, nanti tinggal let me know, oke? Boleh keluar aja dari roomnya ke main room, nanti aku assign lagi ke grup yang baru, oke? Oke,
Padahal nggak
baik.
apa-apa kan.
Iya, it's okay.
It's
Bener,
okay.
bener. Seharusnya, ya, seharusnya it's
Kemarin aku
not a big
sama
deal.
cowok berdua.
Nah, that's why. Actually, it's a right time to you guys to build your confidence to speak all the people, right? Ya, seharusnya tuh it's okay, but karena dia cuma sendirian doang ini, yang lainnya ibu-ibu mungkin ya, ataupun ada cewek-cewek, nah jadinya dia agak-agak malu-malu nih. Okay, so let's go for today. I just want to share the topic on WhatsApp group, okay? Nanti aku share topiknya di WhatsApp. Tapi yang pertama diomongin dulu tentang your specific cuisine from your hometown, okay? Makanan khas dari kampung halaman masing-masing dulu, oke? Nanti aku akan additional, there will be like additional topic that I will send on group WhatsApp, oke?
Oke, Miss.
Oke, let's go ya. Jangan lupa kalau misalnya yang tadi pahit itu apa, bitter. Tadi kita udah bahas ini kan. Pahit itu bitter, terus lagi ada kalau asam apa? What is asam in English?
Sour.
Asam, sour,
Sour.
ya, tulisannya sour, bacanya sour. Okay,
Sour.
so here we go. So I'll divide you guys into several rooms, okay, as usual. And you just like share about the, what is it? About your dishes, about your own cuisine, right? So here we go. I'll divide into several rooms. 53, 40 deh. Okay, so here we go. Sudah boleh masuk.
Excuse me, sis.
Yes, bro.
Can I join room 4? Because
Boleh,
there's my
boleh,
friend in
boleh,
there,
boleh.
room 4.
Oke, 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 oke. Alrighty.
Thank you, sis.
Excuse me, Miss. Sorry.
Yes, sis. Why?
Um,
You cannot join the group? Okay, yeah, yeah. I got it.
yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I just joined in here. Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Hello, guys. Hello, hello guys. Good evening.
Hello, guys. I want to talk about the topics, guys.
Ini udah selesai kah?
Harusnya udah. Langsung. Eh, kok udah selesai apa? Udah selesai backroom. Bukan selesai. Oh, astaga.
Sis, do you graduated from English major?
Nope, I'm not. I'm a science communication major.
Oh yeah? May I ask,
Yeah.
where do you learn English so you can speak fluently? Do you have a community or?
No, at first, after senior high school, okay, wait. After senior high
There.
school,
Yes.
yeah, I just went to Pare for about 8 months, if I'm not wrong, at that
Oh,
time.
Oh,
Yeah, so that's why I learned English in Paris.
Oh, kamu
Oh,
Inggris, right?
okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you
Pardon?
angkatan berapa?
Angkatan 20 Corona.
Ini pas
Oh,
sis.
Ya? Apa bro? By the way, that's my senior high school. After senior high school, in 2020, I just like gap year 1 year, and then I just continue to study English in Paris. Yeah, after studying English, I just continue to college, but I just take online college in University of Terbuka.
University of Busan.
Oh, really, sis?
Kurang nih,
Same like me,
October.
sis. I'm
Really?
from University
Really?
Terbuka.
Yeah.
Itu bukan university.
What?
Tapi sebelum S1
Ustazah,
dari
what's
mana,
your
Mas?
major?
My major is science communication, bro.
Dari
Oh,
university?
University of Terbuka.
in
That's an
Medan?
online class.
terbuka.
Yes,
Nice.
in Medan.
University
Yes.
terbuka, it's not open university like this, Miss.
Yes,
Yeah,
open
of course, Open University. We can call that Cyber University, Open University. There are a lot of names, I think.
Okay.
Yes, how
Yeah.
long do you spend your time in Paris so you can speak English fluently? Is it for a
At
long
that
time,
time,
4 months?
yeah, it's about 8 months, 8 bulan gitu, sekitar
Berapa
segitu.
bulan?
in PEC,
Yeah,
Miss.
full. I never got home at that time. After I went there in 2021 after COVID. Masih COVID sih itu, masih sunyi. And then I just like spend for about 8 months there. Gitu.
Until
Jadi kayak 8
until
bulan.
basic what, sis?
Apa?
What
Gimana, Bro?
course?
Until basic what?
Until basic what?
No. Sampai level berapa maksudnya? Sampai
Oke, ya pokoknya aku ambil yang ini, pokoknya aku ambil program yang 6 bulan pertamanya, and after itu dari nol ya. I don't have any basic English because I never take any course when I was senior high school, elementary school, or even junior high school. I never take any courses before. That's my first time to take English course in Paris.
Oh.
So I just take 6 months for English class, and then terus aku di situ ambil kelas-kelas lain gitu, jadinya selama 8 bulan.
how budget, sis?
In Paris.
Are you?
How budget?
Are you?
Oh, tergantung.
For the budget it depend, ya tergantung benar. It depend on the course, and also depend on your lifestyle. It depend, benar,
No.
tergantung banget.
Aku
Are
pernah
you
di
single
sana.
or married,
Just
sis?
for study in Paris.
No, I haven't married yet, guys.
Ya, yang tadi
Kalau mau bilang tergantung
Apa tuh?
defend ya.
Kalau tergantung ya depend on.
Oke.
Ya, kalau misalnya ini tergantung pada, berarti it depends on gitu.
Depends on.
Exactly.
What's the name of the course, sis?
I couldn't even mention it ya. Iya.
Yes,
Kan aku campur-campur, pokoknya apa aja yang penting kalian sendiri gitu. Karena because guys, there are a lot of courses in Kampung Inggris Paris, so I couldn't even maybe around 200,
Ya,
200-an kursus. So I think all the course is the same. It's based on you, tergantung kamunya aja, berdasarkan kamunya aja gitu. Jadi kayak yang semuanya itu sama, mirip-mirip, karena kan yang dijual itu adalah lingkungannya.
Yes,
The environment is expensive. It's not about the courses-nya, tapi
setiap kursus punya majornya masing-masing.
masing-masing. Yes, exactly. Kalau misalnya mau speaking di kursusan ini yang bagus gitu. Kalau misalnya mau pengen listening atau TOEFL di kursusan ini gitu. Dia masing-masing ada bidang-bidangnya gitu. Jadi kayak yang menonjolnya itu ada masing-masing. Ya. So, I couldn't even sometimes walaupun sama-sama dia itu unggul di bidang speaking gitu kan, tapi nggak cocok gaya ngajarnya dengan kita juga nggak bisa. So we have to try it guys. Jadi kayak nggak bisa kayak berdasarkan orang. Iya sih bisa memang, tapi kayak gitu juga kayak nasib-nasiban juga ya. Kayak kadang kita nggak cocok gitu. Terus kita harus lihat lagi yang lain gitu. Kayak harus ngerasain sendiri memang. Jadi kayak rekomendasi itu boleh, cuma jadi kayak tergantung kitanya lagi apakah cocok dengan ajaran ataupun style mereka atau enggak.
Biasanya
Just
nanti
that, guys.
di sana baru
Nah,
ngobrol, ih enak di sini, ih enak di situ.
nah bener gitu. Pasti akan ada cerita-cerita, apalagi berasal dari kursusan yang berbeda-beda ya. Maksudnya itu dia nggak ngambil per paket atau dia ngambilnya per kelas gitu. Jadinya kita tahu,
Berapa ya?
oh yang ini dari ini, dari ini, dari ini.
Biasanya yang ambil 1 bulan, oh nanti bulan depan gue kesini dah.
Nah,
Wah,
ya, bro.
tapi
What's your motivation learn to English?
Actually, at that time, I don't have any specific motivation. I just wants to, what is it? Because I gap year, I just wants to learn the new things, right? Karena belum kuliah, jadinya kayak daripada nggak ngapa-ngapain. So that's why my brother asked me to go to Kampung Inggris Pare. That based on my brother's recommendation. At first, I don't know where is it, terus apa, di mana itu aku nggak tahu ya awalnya. Because of my brother said you just go there to learn about English because English is important ya at that time. And also I just mungkin kayak karena vibes-nya itu seru jadinya aku ya udah gitu jalani aja sih awalnya. Nggak yang ada specific motivation gitu. Ya.
Sis, when you learning
Dari
English
nol kah?
in Pare, do you concern about grammar or yang penting sama-sama ngerti dulu gitu satu sama lain?
At first, mungkin aku lebih ini ya, lebih concern grammar. Cuman, tapi kayak awal-awal itu lebih baik tuh kayak paham aja dulu gitu, sama apa yang diomongin gitu. If we just like make a conversation with your friends, itu don't think about grammar. When you want to learn at first, don't think about grammar. Because when we just think about grammar, salah nggak ya, bener nggak ya, gitu nggak akan ngomong-ngomong gitu.
Oke sis.
Tapi kalau misalnya kalian memang bukan untuk ngobrol, lebih ke kayak untuk formal writing, itu penting grammar. Oke,
Kalau grammar itu
makanya
adanya di intermediate ya, sis ya?
iya ada intermediate, di basic juga ada.
Jadi basic juga.
Basic ada.
Cuma
Nanti ada kalau nggak salah itu ya pastinya tensesnya juga basic ya, yang untuk dipakai sehari-hari. Tapi
Cuma
kalau
Miss,
intermediate itu lebih banyak ya.
kalau di Pare bagusnya tinggal di asrama. Jangan
Yes, bener. Jangan di kos.
kalau boarding house, nggak pintar-pintar.
Iya.
Kayak
Yes, benar. Oh, sis sudah ke sana ya, sis ya.
saya, tapi karena saya mama-mama, saya nggak di asrama. Nah,
Oke, karena takut ribet ya, aturannya banyak gitu ya.
mama-mama nanti kalau terlalu cerewet, kalau kurang bersih cerewet lagi nanti.
Iya, benar-benar.
Saya juga
Iya benar.
nggak mau
Setuju.
mama-mama. Aku nggak mau.
Tapi aku setuju sih yang dikatakan oleh Sis Reni, karena emang bener kalau di asrama itu kita jadinya karena aturannya banyak, jadinya kita itu lebih cepat nangkep. Wajib 24 jam ya kalau Englishnya tuh 24 hours di camp ya. Kalau di luar boleh bahasa Indonesia. Tapi kalau misalnya di dalam asrama itu wajib 24 jam. Kalau enggak didenda gitu. Nah, tapi kalau kos itu kan kita suka-suka kita dong gitu kan. Nah, itu yang memperlamanya. Tapi kalau orangnya itu bisa disiplin, itu bisa-bisa aja kalau di kos gitu. Tapi kalau untuk aku yang tidak disiplin ini gitu, lebih baik asrama.
Because di camp pasti ada tutornya kan ya.
Benar, tutor campnya ada.
Jadi diplototin langsung bahasa.
Yes, benar, diplototin. Terus kalau enggak tuh bayar denda gitu. Jadi kayak per kata itu berapa dulu tuh masih Rp500 gitu per kata. Jadi kayak setiap malam ditanyain gitu, berapa banyak ngomong bahasa Indonesianya satu hari gitu. Jadi nanti tinggal bayar tuh, pusing tuh. Oke, jadi seperti itu ya guys. So it based on you ya, bukan hanya kursusan. Kursusan itu ngaruh, cuman itu balik lagi ke kalian gitu. Sebagus apapun kursusannya, kalau misalnya kalian itu nggak niat, ya sama aja, tetap nggak masuk gitu.
Habisin duit.
Bener.
Karena
Apalagi di sana banyak temen ya, maksudnya kayak yang ada nanti nongkrong doang, bukan belajar.
apalagi kalau udah weekend, bukan sewa sepeda lagi, sewa motor jalan-jalan sampai
Nah, bener. Yang ada nggak masuk kelas, bolos.
Betul. Karena di sana servisnya memuaskan. Bisa sewa
Iya. Iya, kemana aja lebih murah juga kan, mau sewa motor. And also, the tourism place is really close to Pare. Kayak kemana-mana aja bisa nyasar ke tempat wisata gitu. Jadi kayak ya udahlah, sangat-sangat mendukung ya kalau untuk bolos gitu. Apalagi kan bukan kalau tidak di asrama ya bebas-bebas aja, mau masuk ya masuk, mau enggak ya enggak gitu. Jadi kayak ya lebih apa? Lebih kalau misalnya memang bener-bener maunya ke camp aja, jangan ke kos gitu.
Sis Sasa, Bro Ari
Yes.
want to ask a question.
What is that? What is the question,
He's
Bro
raised his
Arya?
hand.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you, sis.
Thank you, sis. Sis,
Yeah.
I have
What's
a
the question?
question. I have a question about the private group.
Okay.
Yesterday until today, we met each other in the group, and I didn't see Sis Saza in the group. How about
Oke,
that?
tadi aku nggak masuk.
Yeah.
Room berapa, bro?
Berarti roomnya kebanyakan.
12, sis.
12?
Yeah.
Kita sampai 10 dong roomnya.
Five bro, bukannya.
Modus.
Ayo tunggu. Aku cari nama Bro Arya, tunggu.
I forget
Aku cari nama
the
Bro
number
Arya.
of-
12 jangan.
Tunggu. Kita, room 5.
and Miss Rahma, I think.
Room 5 ya, Sis Meiza.
Yeah, Meza.
Oke, sorry
How
guys,
about
berarti
that,
ke skip.
sis?
No, sorry. Seharusnya aku masuk ke satu-satunya. Tadi ke skip berarti ya. Sorry guys.
I think yesterday same, sis. I didn't
Sama
see
juga?
Sis Saza. Yes, I think so.
Oke, nanti kalau misalnya besok, kalau misalnya aku nggak masuk, boleh minta bantuan. Di situ kan ada kan? Ada
Yeah.
nggak? Nanti di situ ada. Nanti tinggal klik itu aja. Nanti aku datang. Oke?
Oke, sis. Thank
Oke.
you.
Oke, sorry ya untuk yang grupnya kelewatan guys. Sorry banget. Tadi ada juga yang aku sampai masuk 2 kali atau 3 kali gitu ke grup yang sama. Oh my god. Oke, sorry ya bro dan friends. Ada sis Meiza, sis Olivia dan sis Tasya. Oke, alright. So any question? Ada pertanyaan lagi tidak?
Enggak.
Khususnya
Ya,
jangan
enough. Oke.
Enough for today.
Okay. So thank you so much everyone for today's, and then thank you so much for coming. And then ini masih banyak ya hari ini, hari kedua, dan I hope until the last ya, 50 orang lebih. Okay? Alright, thank you so much. See you guys. Good night. Bye bye.
Sis.
Thank
Good night,
you.
sis.
Bye.